In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new ad account on Facebook Business Manager. First, make sure you're logged into the Facebook profile that has access to your business assets. Then, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by typing Meta Business Suite into your search engine or by going directly from your Facebook menu if you already see the option for Business Suite. Once the page loads, you should see your business dashboard with things like your pages, ads, and notifications. From this dashboard, look for the settings option. It's usually on the left-hand side of the screen near the bottom of the menu. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where all your business tools and permissions are managed, so it's the central place for anything related to accounts and access. Inside settings, find and click on the section labeled Ad Accounts. This area will show you any ad accounts that are already connected to your business manager. If this is your first time setting one up, the list may be empty, and that's completely fine. Now, on this ad accounts page, look for a button that says Add. It's usually near the top or top right of the section. Click on Add, and a drop-down or pop-up will appear with a few options. From those options, choose Create a New Ad Account. This tells Meta that you want to start fresh with a brand new account, rather than adding an existing one. Next, you'll see a form where you need to type in the ad account name, time zone, and currency. Choose an ad account name that clearly describes the business or purpose. For example, the brand name or the region you're targeting. For the time zone, pick the one that matches where you or your main customers are located, because this affects how your reporting and scheduling line up. For currency, select the currency you want to be billed in. Take your time here. Changing time zone and currency later can be difficult or impossible on some accounts, so make sure these settings are correct. Once everything looks good, click on Next to move forward. You'll be shown Meta's terms and conditions for using ad accounts. Read through them, or at least skim the key points, and then click on the checkbox to agree to Meta's terms and conditions. Finally, click on Create Ad Account. Meta will process your request, and within a few seconds, your new ad account should be created and linked to your business manager. From here, you can start assigning people, setting permissions, adding a payment method, and creating your first campaigns.